Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 10C, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now for this you will need a SIM ejector, which I have over here, and this comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. Additionally, you could just grab a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located at the upper left side of the phone, as you can see right over here where the pin is holding, and push the pin in. The tray pops out just a tiny bit, as you can see, so you want to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. Now you can use obviously all the trays, or you can just use whichever ones you need. There we go. Now once you have your cards on the tray, you want to be careful with them. There is nothing really holding them in place, so they could just kind of like fall out, or for instance like get misaligned, as an example. So when inserting it back into the device, if the tray doesn't want to go easily in, then don't force it like super hard, because one of the cards might have just kind of popped out of the tray. Anyway, once you pop it back in, the cards should start working immediately. As you can see, they are for me. This is my SIM pin, so I'm gonna quickly confirm it. And the SIM card is obviously working, and SD card is working as well. You can see the icon for it right here. And also when you pull down your notifications, it will show you that it is detected. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.